Второй класс, английский язык. Звездный английский. Что это такое? Домашнее задание, страница 14-15. English. Starlight 2. What is it? Homework, page number 14, 15. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 14. 14. Exercise number 1. Сыграйте в игру «Что это такое?» What is it? It's a pen. What is it? Что это такое? What is it? It's a pen. What is it? It's a rose. What is it? It's a nose. What is it? It's a hat. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Повтори звуки и слова за диктором и покажи соответствующие им картинки. B. Jeans. E. B. Jeans. My dear friends, do exercise number 3. Прочитай слова и текст вслух своим одноклассникам. E. B. Tree. Feet. Deep. Feel. Sweets. Green. Queen. Eat. Meet. Team. Read. Jeans. Peace. Please. E. B. Tree. Feet. Deep. Feel. Sweets. Green. Queen. Eat. Meet. Team. Read. Jeans. Peas. Please. My name is Pete. I am 9. I have got a dog. My dog is funny. He likes bones and sweets. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Соедини слова со звуком «и». Покажи слова со звуком «и», запиши их в тетрадь. Старт. Tea, feet, eat, jeans, green, read, peas, see. Finish. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 15. 15. Exercise number 5. Повтори звуки и слова за диктором и покажи соответствующие им картинки. The. Mother. Th. Teeth. W. Whale. H. Who. The. Mother. Th. Teeth. W. Well. Who? Boys and girls, do exercise number 6. Прочитай слова и вопрос вслух своим одноклассникам. The mother, brother, with, this, they, then, that, the, teeth, thanks, 3, think, well, white, when, why, what, who. The mother, brother, with, this, they, then, that, the, teeth, thanks, 3, think, well, white, when, why, what, who. Who is that? What is his name? Why is he in the big green plane? Boys and girls, do exercise number 7. Раскрась картинку, используя подсказку слева. Скажи, какого цвета предметы и животные на картинке, используя подсказку. The tree is green. The tree is green. The sun is yellow. The sky is blue. The rose is pink. The bat is black. The dog is red. The cat is black. My dear friends, do exercise number 8. Прослушай песенку и спой ее. When the bumblebee is in the tree, that's the time to have some tea. Bumblebee, 1, 2, 3. Bumblebee, time for tea. Once more, please. When the bumblebee is in the tree, that's the time to have some tea. Bumblebee, 1, 2, 3. Bumblebee, time for tea. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.